How to disable bloom effect in Zenless Zone Zero. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are trying to disable the bloom effect in Zenless Zone Zero game, then the first thing you want to do is to launch open the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device. Once you're inside the main homepage of the game, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the top left corner. Once you're inside the Me menu, go to the bottom and tap on Options. Now, inside Options, tap on the Graphics option from the top, scroll down and you'll see the Bloom option. Tap the drop down right next to Bloom and click on Disable. Right after you do that, you have successfully disabled the bloom effect in the game. It is easy and it can make the game look cleaner and less flashy. So there you have it. That is how you easily turn off the bloom effect in Zenless Zone Zero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.